What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day. And today we are lighting some fireworks off on Memorial Day. I love making firework videos on Memorial Day. It's one of my favorite holidays, and I get to celebrate in the best way possible. But yeah, we're going to light all these fireworks off today. We got a ton of good cakes here. We got 200-gram cakes here, $4.99 and $5.99. Actually, if you have not seen these fireworks purchased yet, I will post a video sometime later this week of me buying all these fireworks, for the exception of this one and this one, because my friends brought me those too. But the rest here you see were all from a fireworks shopping trip video that's going to be posted later next week, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, once it gets dark out here, we're going to light all of these off, and it should be a really good time because all these are some of my favorite fireworks. And yeah, guys, let's just have a safe and fun Memorial Day. All right, so here is the line of fireworks we got going. We're going to start with a big Roman candle and then kind of move into like a bigger Roman candle slash like color pearl with crackle. And then this is when we're getting to the 200-gram cakes, then slowly, progressively get bigger. Somebody's actually lighting fireworks off behind me, which is awesome. Then we got this, actually this is a new brand, Fox Fireworks. I've never heard of them. Maybe they've been around, but I've never heard of them. Then we got the Buck Fever Salute Cake, and then we're going to move in to the 500-gram cakes, and we're going to end with this finale down here. But yeah, this is the lineup for the night, and it should be one heck of a show. All right, we're going to go with this first cake here called Jewel Strike. This is the long-lasting cake that I really love. It's such a good cake for the price, too. It's so pretty. What a great cake. Still going. It's a full minute of crackle. Alright, here we go with Diamondback. $5.99 from the superstore by Dominator Fireworks. Alright, so I got this one staked down in the ground very solid, and we got a 200-shot Roman candle. These are so darn pretty. It's just like Jewel Strike. That's funny. Wow, those are beautiful. All individual breaks too. Okay, here we go with the next cake here by Fire for Comic. $4.99. Nice crackle at the end. Alright, those bangs were really good for that. I like that one a lot. Let's light this next one, Daffodil. Put this together in there. Smash it really good and tight. And here we go. I like the tail. Beautiful tail. There's such a pretty tails going up to that one. All right, here we go with the next one. This is by the brand I've actually never shot off that I was mentioning before, called Fox Fireworks. This might be a new brand, old brand, not entirely sure. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever lit any off by this company. So get that fuse pointed there. And see, the cake is extremely light. So I don't know if that's any indication on what it's going to perform like or what, but here we go with this Fox firework. Okay, so the reason why I think it was light is because there was only 6 breaks, but man, these breaks hit hard. How much was the price on that again? $5.99. Absolutely recommend. It was a very good cake for $5.99. Now, switching gears, we're going for a salute cake here. Buck Fever, all time great cake here. Loud and got great breaks. Just a solid cake with nice salutes. It's got a little bit of everything. Here we go, Buck Fever. All right, there's Buck Fever. Again, that never disappoints. What a great and fun cake. I love lighting that. But here we go with a bigger cake, 500 gram. I don't know if this is going to be a fan cake because it's telling us to, point it towards spectators. Usually when it says that, it's more of a fan cake. I've never lit this one off before, but 20 shots, track down, got some cool cowboy artwork on there. 500 grams. Here we go. First 500 gram of the night. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, nice. That was a good bang at the end there. That was a really good 500 gram. I liked how it spread across the whole sky, and it was kind of like a fan cake like I was expecting. Not quite like a fan, but this one's going to be really cool as well. I think this is going to be more of like a unique 500 gram. Till the cows come home. 210 shots by Sunwig Fireworks. Honestly, have no idea what to expect. Oh, that's interesting. I swear, that's all it does. That'd be hilarious. Oh, that's cool. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. Alright, at first I thought I was going to hate it and it was going to be similar to the ones we loved previously, like Jewel Strike, but that was really awesome at the end. I would definitely buy that again. I would think it would be really cool if they somehow mixed some colors into it, or if they had some type of, like, I don't know, like a secondary one that had some more colors in it. Otherwise, it was really cool, but I think some more colors would really put that one over the top. But here we go, Mastermind, 500 gram by T-Sky. I think that's all settled in there. Let's see, $20 for this 500 gram cake too, guys. So we'll see. Look at all the cakes we got lined up here, lit off. That's awesome. Here we go. A big 500G here. Wow, that crackle is awesome. Wow. You could definitely tell that was like the first like legit 500 gram we lit off. And the brakes are just so much more big than the previous ones. Here we go. I know this one probably won't tip over, but still gonna do it anyway. This one apparently is blue. I didn't even get you guys a good description of what it did before, but 36 blue, 76 Pro line. Again, my buddy got this for me actually a long time ago, and we're just now getting off the light. But here we go. I'm excited. I think this one should be the best one yet. High quality cake. Woohoo! Wow, that cake was awesome. Those blue little, I don't even know what you call them, they're flying all over and it made the sky so pretty. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope everybody had a great and wonderful day. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below and I will love to do it. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there. And again, everybody have a great Memorial Day. And peace.